Hello student of class 11. Now I am going to prove the distributive law second theorem. Second theorem is A intersection B union C. This is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay. First I will take the first portion, that means left hand side. X be any element of A intersection B union C, that is X belongs to A intersection B union C, that is X belongs to A intersection, that means and X belongs to B union C. X belongs to A intersection X belongs to B or X belongs to C. I can write it X belongs to A intersection X belongs to B, and X belongs to A intersection X belongs to C. This is X belongs to A intersection X belongs to B. X belongs to A intersection X belongs to C. Intersection means and X belongs to C. This is union. This is union. A is distributed to B, A is distributed to C. So I can write X belongs to A intersection B or X belongs to A intersection C. This is A intersection C. That is X belongs to this. I can write A intersection B union C. This is equal to A intersection B. This is a subset of A intersection B union A intersection C. This is the first portion, and this is the second portion. Let Y be any element of the set, that is Y belongs to A intersection B union, that means or Y belongs to A intersection C, that is Y belongs to A or X belongs to B. X belongs to intersection mean and X belongs to A and X belongs to B, or Y belongs to A and Y belongs to C. This is Y belongs to A. Answer is Y belongs to A and Y belongs to B. B union C. B union C. This is this portion is this. Y belongs to A common to all, that means common to all. X belongs to B, X belongs to C, union. Okay, that is Y belongs to A intersection B union C. So this is a subset of A intersection B union C. So I can write A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. hence the proved. Okay, I think you will be understood this theorem easily. I am ending here.